Want to jump on that side? It's better for light. Don't mean to tell you your job. I love it when we actually get to do something that's good instead of evil. Like we're normally advertising some bullshit product, but this is giving a bit back to the community, so it feels good. Good karma. Normally you got people who are happy to have a bit of a sit down and a rest, but everyone here is so keen to get into it, and they've actually been surprisingly good talent. So far been very lucky.
No, I must admit I saw it come up on the site, my RFS site, and I went, oh, I'll give that a go.
Yeah, it's great. It's good. It's tiring though.
No, actually when this got advertised on there, my RFS, I try anything once. Sometimes I won't try again.
It sounds interesting. It's not like you get every day the opportunity to do something like that.
Because I come from a small family and I've always wanted that interaction of like a big family type of environment, and I knew that I'd find that being in the fire brigade, so that's why I joined.
My grandfather actually made me a member of the Hilltop Brigade the day I was born.
Well, it was after some really big fires came through the town I live in, and there are quite a few homes that burnt down, and I felt that I really could get out there and do some more, and my family had been involved for about 25 years.
I'm from a small community called Waterfall. We've got about 352 houses, and it's a lot of houses to protect for one brigade.
Primarily to give something back after we had a big fire at our property and nearly lost it.
It's something I can do which can really make a difference in time of crisis. Like everyone can contribute a little bit to the whole.
I believe that I shouldn't expect people to look after my property in the event of a fire if I wasn't prepared to return the favour. So it's basically that community spirit that sort of got me in.
I've always done community work, and when I moved to Australia, when I moved to where I live at the moment, our neighbours just said that, do you fancy joining? And I thought 2 seconds and I said yes. My father's been in the brigade over in Finland, my grandfather's been in the brigade over in Finland, so I just thought, well, why not do it here in Australia?
I'm getting a bit too old to run around in the bush, and one of the ladies worked in the canteen, so that sounded better for us, because I've just turned 80.
Well, for me, it's helping all the guys keep going when they're covered in soot from head to toe, and that they're exhausted. But if your own house was, I live in a weatherboard house, I know if my house was having a problem, they'd jump straight back in the truck and go back out.
We'll wait and see whether I'm a TV star or not.
Probably the favourite part is the camaraderie.
Just because it's just good fun to be out with your mates.
I think it's meeting such nice people.
The respect you give to your community.
It's really being able to help as well. We do lots of community work, so that's a good part of it.
I'm very much a people person, and I enjoy going out and meeting new people and building relationships, and I just love going and meeting people that you might not have anything else in common with, but you actually manage to form a really good relationship with them because you fight fires together.
Yeah, you get a lot of training out of it, you get a new philosophy of everything, you also get a sense of helping people in the community.
The best part's probably helping the community, but you create great friendships, and the friendships you make you're going to keep for such a long time, it's more of a lifetime.
No, it's a great experience. It's an eye-opener. Unless you do something like this, you don't know what goes on with these commercials and that. So much work involved.
I figure if you can face down a raging bushfire, you can probably...
Look at a camera in a tent, yeah, you're right.
Mate,
a lot more calm.
Thanks very much.
No, thank you. It's been great. All the best.
Thanks, Greg.
Thank you.